It's been a minute, so let's talk about the latest with TPS for Haiti. I'm Bianca Jordan. I'm an immigration attorney at Brazen Legal. I represent immigration clients all over the world who are trying to live and work in the United States with a green card. For more information about Brazen Legal, you can visit our website, brazenlegal.com. So I'm not going to get into all of the nitty gritty about the lawsuit because I did a previous video on that and I will link that to here in case you missed that. This video is really just to talk about what's happened since then and what we can expect to happen at a later time. This video specifically is focused on Haiti because this is one of the countries that I get asked the most questions about. I do have another video coming out that is going to talk about all of the countries that still have TPS, had TPS, that are still in litigation pending, all that good stuff. But this specific video is focused on Haiti. So, as we know, the district court ruling is still in place. So, a federal judge blocked the Department of Homeland Security from terminating TPS for Haiti, which was supposed to end on February 2nd, 2026. The government appealed, they lost for now. And then on, I want to say March 16th of 2026, the Supreme Court granted the government certiorari or review. They agreed to hear the case. And so we don't have a date yet for when this case is going to go before the Supreme Court, but we do expect that it can happen this spring. It could happen as early as the end of April. It could also be something that gets pushed out a little bit further in the summer. And so the question that I get asked the most about TPS for Haiti and what's going on with the lawsuit and everything is what does that mean for work permits? In case you didn't know, the um, the big beautiful bill, or as I like to refer to it as the big ugly bill, that was passed into law last summer by this administration pretty much got rid of auto extensions for work permits. So in the past, in situations like this, for example, during the first Trump administration, that administration tried to terminate TPS for many countries. And because of the lawsuits, TPS for those countries continued. However, despite the fact that TPS for those countries continued, the work permits also continued too. And those are auto extended, and they continued to be auto extended for as long as the litigation was pending. The big, beautiful bill that was passed last year pretty much got rid of that. And so there is no more auto extension, especially for people who are impacted by the immigration pause. If you're from one of those countries that's impacted, your work permit would also be impacted as well. And so because of that, we now see that TPS work permits aren't necessarily auto extended, or at least they're not auto extended for an indefinite amount of time in the future. We've seen this administration extend them in small increments, end of February, end of March, and so forth. So, as of the date of this video, March 25th, 2026, the USCIS has issued an update for people who have TPS for Haiti, and as it relates to the work permit. And so that update is for employers who maybe you have somebody who works for you who has TPS for Haiti and they have a work permit. First, you want to look to see when their expiration date is. And so the expiration dates that matter are if they have an expiration date for February 3rd, 2026, August 3rd, 2025, August 3rd, 2024, June 30th, 2024, February 3rd, 2023, December 31st, 2022, October 4th, 2021, January 4th, 2021, January 2nd, 2020, July 22nd, 2019, January 22nd, 2018, or July 22nd, 2017. If their expiration date has any, if their work permit has any of those expiration dates, then they are extended per the court order in the Mio v. Trump case that was decided at the beginning of February 2026. When it comes to the work permit for employers, when they're filling out their I 9 forms, you are supposed to input as per court order. And in section 1, you are to put in July 1st, 2026. And that is going to be the new expiration date for people who have TPS for Haiti as the litigation gets sorted out in court. So, as soon as I have any other details and information about what's going on with TPS for Haiti, I will definitely share that information with you. In the meantime, if you are someone who has TPS for Haiti and you're eligible for something else, such as a green card, you definitely should be working on applying for that. If you're not sure what options you have, I have a free resource that can walk you through what options you have to go from TPS to something else. I will link that in the show notes. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe so that you don't miss any of the other information that I'm sharing on this channel. Please share this video with anybody that you know who has TPS for Haiti that needs to know this information. Thanks for watching.